If your Android TV keeps turning on and off by itself, this is a common issue. The good news is that it's usually an easy fix. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to get your TV working properly again. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check the power source. The first thing you should check is your TV's power source. A loose plug or a faulty power strip can cause your TV to randomly turn off and on. Here's what to do. Unplug your TV from the wall and plug it back in securely. If you're using a power strip or surge protector, try plugging the TV directly into the wall outlet to see if the issue persists. If you notice flickering lights or other devices also acting up, it might be a problem with your home's electrical wiring. Step 2. Check your remote to control. Sometimes your remote control might be the culprit. Here's how to rule it out. Remove the batteries from your remote and see if the TV still turns off and on by itself. If the problem stops, your remote may have stuck buttons or need a battery replacement. Also, check if any other remotes in the room, like a universal remote, might be sending signals to your TV. Step 3. Disable HDMI CEC. Many smart TVs have a feature called HDMI CEC that allows other connected devices, like a gaming console or streaming stick, to control the TV. If a device is glitching, it might be turning your TV on and off without you realizing it. To disable HDMI CEC, go to Settings in General, External Device Manager, HDMI CEC or similar, depending on your TV brand. Turn it off and check if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Check for overheating. If your TV overheats, it might shut off automatically. As a safety measure, make sure your TV has proper ventilation and isn't blocked by furniture or walls. Check if the TV feels hot to the touch. If so, turn it off and let it cool down before turning it back on. Dust buildup can also cause overheating, so clean out vents using a soft cloth or compressed air. Step 5. Update your TV's software. Outdated software can sometimes cause random reboots. To check for updates, go to Settings, Support, Software Update, or similar, depending on your TV. If an update is available, download and install it. Restart your TV and see if the issue is resolved. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. If nothing else works, resetting your TV to factory settings might do the trick. Just remember, this will erase all your settings and installed apps. Navigate to Settings, General, Reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. After the reset, set up your TV again and see if the problem is fixed. And there you have it. Most of the time, a TV that turns off and on by itself can be fixed with one of these simple solutions. If none of these work, you may have a faulty power supply or internal component, in which case you might need to contact customer support or get a professional repair. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.